This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 28th, 2023. It's currently April 23rd, 2023, 10:21 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 11:12 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a prominent move higher standing out on a multi-day chart. We pushed the upper end of a range higher. Although the nullified completion card in the high position does indicate that a rally does come to a completion, and behavior on throughout the day, chart behavior kind of makes the high irrelevant. Behavior around the low is slow for the day. We have a move higher through resistance. We stay above it briefly, and we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. Usually there's like a new local low or of some kind when you see the abundance card. So we might see like a new local low, or excuse me, a new local high when you see the abundance card. We might see a new local high, like a peak or something. I'm advised to trade around an important range on a multi-day scale, and it looks like volume is definitively bullish. In the pre-market, I'm advised to be cautious. Looks like we have the prudence card here in the post-market and again here in the pre-market. So I'm advised to be cautious with some sort of tricky chart behavior there going on. There might be a notable move higher here, but right around the, or like a gap up, I mean, overnight. But there's right around the open, there's a notable move to the downside through multiple support levels, a significant decline there. Yeah, there's an important technical price level highlighted in that first half hour, maybe right around the open or near the open. Important technical price level on at least a 1 month scale, and we declined from that pretty notably through multiple support levels. There's a trade opportunity there. We have a pop and drop, or a period of like holding pattern kind of going on between roughly 10 and 11, and then we establish support on a 1 day scale, followed by a prominent move higher standing out on a 1 day chart, and an establishment of support at a higher level that takes place roughly between 11 and 12. Sideways fluctuating decline, or sideways fluctuating rally midday preceding a decline. We have pretty notable decline in the second half of the day. Taking us into a trough or a low like early afternoon to mid-afternoon. But it does appear that there's a significant move to the upside towards the end of the day after a decline that increases with the momentum moving forward in time. Somewhere around that last hour, there's a big move to the upside, pushing the upper end of a range higher and revisiting a crest that was recently a past opportunity there around the close in the midst of some erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. And we revisit a price level on a technical scale there at the end of the day. And it's important on a technical, or it's a technical price level that's important on a 1 month scale at least. Following day, we open lower with a U-shaped dip that forms near the intersection of two perpendicular diagonal trend lines. And that's the S&P 500 for June 28th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, make sure to follow that rule of karma, my angel investors. 5% of the profits back to the channel here. Thank you so much. That's what helps the channel and supports the channel to keep putting out free content. And 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities keeps the flow of abundance going on through the universe. Leaves you with 90% of the profits you didn't have to begin with without this information. Make sure you spend that money out of love, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold from all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.